Welcome to CETS Tutorials. The purpose of this video is to show you, the student, how to virtually join your class in the event of an instructional disruption. Using the web conference application Zoom, this tutorial will teach you how to join your instructor's meeting. Before the scheduled meeting, your instructor will have sent you a meeting link. When you are ready to join that meeting, click on that link. If Zoom is not already installed on your computer, then follow the prompts to do so. Otherwise, open the application. When Zoom opens, you will be prompted to join the audio. In order to hear your instructor, you must make this connection. Once the audio connection is made, you have the option to mute or unmute your voice. You are now able to hear and see your instructor's presentation.